Cop chopped while responding to domestic incident. St. Catherine teenager drowns in river. JPS workers attack while removing illegal connections in Old Harbor. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A police constable has been hospitalized after sustaining chop wounds during a confrontation with a man in Hydesfield, St. Anne on Thursday. The attacker, identified as 51-year-old construction worker Herbert Hines, was fatally shot by the injured lawman during the incident. Reports are that about 9 a.m., members of a police team responded to a domestic dispute in Hydesfield, which is located in Ocheria's policing area. During the effort to apprehend Hines, he reportedly used a machete to attack the police constable, who sustained several chop wounds, including to his head. But while being attacked, the lawman managed to pull his service pistol and discharged a number of rounds, resulting in Hines being hit. Hines was transported to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The police constable, who is said to be in his 30s, remains hospitalized in stable but serious condition. Investigations are ongoing into the development. A family is now mourning the death of a boy who is suspected to have drowned in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He has been identified as 16-year-old DeAndre Garvey of Ensom City in Spanish Town. Reports indicate that around 11:40 on Monday morning, DeAndre was at a river with friends when he encountered difficulties and drowned. The police were alerted and his body was subsequently removed from the water. The news media has learned that DeAndre's mother, who was unaware he had gone to the river, was informed of the situation while at work. Investigations are ongoing. The Jamaica Public Service Company is reporting that two of its workers were recently attacked while removing illegal connections in the Burke Road area of Old Harbor, St. Catherine. The workers received injuries to their face and chest, while the windshield of a van operated by a contracting firm was damaged by missiles. Investigations are ongoing into the matter.